The life of a homeowner can be a stressful one. Here are 3 things in your home you should probably go ahead and replace. It's no secret that we put our pillows through the ringer. Over time, sweat, oil, and dirt can come together to create a cocktail of chaos under your head. Most pillows should be replaced every year or 2, and pillowcases can be washed whenever. Please tell me you're washing your pillowcases. You should seriously consider replacing this one ASAP. Shower curtain liners are a prime target for bacteria. In fact, some experts estimate your liner may be dirtier than your toilet seat. Even self-proclaimed mold-resistant vinyl curtains are bending the truth at best. While you can run it through the wash, if it's been longer than a year, you're probably better off just replacing it and starting fresh. Most people will notice this one when their clothes start taking forever to dry. Not only should you be cleaning this out regularly, but you should wash it occasionally too, and potentially even replace it. Start by giving it a soak in hot water and cleaning it with a soft bristle brush. If you do notice any damage, be sure to replace it right away, since lint infiltrating the inner workings of your dryer could be a much more expensive problem. Be sure to drop a comment below with your favorite home hacks. And stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.